Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Google account credentials and making sure two-step verification is ready in case Google prompts you. Once done, identify where the payment method lives: Google Pay, Play Store, or an active subscription, because each path differs. Now open the appropriate app or pay. Google. Com in a browser, sign in and locate payment methods. From here, you'll see cards, bank accounts, and saved PayPal entries. Select the specific method you intend to remove to proceed. You now perform the core removal steps. If you're in Google Pay, tap the card or bank and choose Remove. On Play Store, go to Payments and Subscriptions, then Payment Methods, and remove the item. For subscriptions, cancel the subscription first under Subscriptions so billing stops, then remove the card. Make sure the payment method isn't the primary instrument for family library or shared services. If it is, reassign another payment method before trying again to avoid errors. Finish by verifying the method no longer appears in your payment methods list and watch for a confirmation email. If Google prevents removal, check for pending charges, refunds, or subscriptions tied to that method. You must clear those first. If a pending transaction exists, wait for settlement or contact the merchant. If you still can't remove it, use Google Account Help or Support Chat to view account activity. That's your key troubleshooting step to resolve blockers and complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.